The OEM Tools fan clutch wrench set holds the water pump pulley, allowing you to remove the fan clutch. It includes water pump pulley holding tools in 6 sizes and 3 sizes of the slim style wrenches. Let's get started. If needed, remove the fan shroud. Refer to the vehicle maintenance manual for further information. Select the appropriate water pump pulley holding tool. You may need to attach a breaker bar or ratchet to the tool for added leverage. Place the holding tool around the water pump pulley retaining bolts. You may need to loosen the bolts to provide a more secure hold. Select the appropriate slim style wrench to loosen the fan clutch nut. Place the slim style wrench on the fan clutch nut. Reference the vehicle maintenance manual for the direction of the thread. While holding the water pump pulley in place, break the fan clutch nut free with the slim style wrench. As you remove the fan, do not let it touch the radiator.